We're going to be doing an unboxing today of Anisa skincare brushes and facial tools. I'm Katara.
And I'm Lori, and today we're going to be talking about Anisa beauty tools and facial tools. They're cruelty-free and they're really hygienic, and they're specifically targeted for estheticians because of how hygienic they are and sanitary as well.
So let's get right into it.
Alright, got my box cutter. Okay, so we'll kind of tilt it. Their packaging is super cute. These are like little stars. And then they have their pamphlet and then how to care for your products. Okay, so this is their cleansing brush. I like the little packaging that it comes in. I'm gonna open it. Super cute. Yeah, go for it. Oh, I like this. I know.
It makes it really easy.
Ooh. Does it come with batteries, or how do you do it?
It's not battery operated.
I don't think it is. How does it feel?
It's super soft.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah, I think that part is like a massaging.
Oh, that's super
effect.
soft.
Yeah, the inside has like a soft silicone, like massaging type. Beads or whatever they are, the long ones. And then the outside is a soft brush.
Bristles.
Bristles.
Bristles. Well, it feels nice. Everything about it. It's not like heavy, but it's still like heavy enough where it's like durable. And the bristles are just super soft. The outer layer of the bristles is like, it's not even hard, but they're definitely a little bit harder, but right here is where it's really soft. And then these silicone little...
They're just long,
yeah,
massage type silicone.
Well, I don't want to touch it with my face, so we've been like touching it with our hands. Okay, next brush. You open one and then I'll open one.
All over treatment brush.
This one's a detailed treatment brush. So it looks like all their packaging has a little rippable section.
I love that.
Okay. So what really drew me towards these specific brushes is that instead of like dipping your finger into the skincare product before you go and apply it to the client's face, you dip the end part into it so it's more sanitary. And then you use this to apply it. So this is a detailed brush, so I'm assuming it can be used. I don't think this one specifically is for the under eyes, but it's really good for like smaller areas, I feel like. And it's really good to like dip into your products.
I'm sure it feels amazing on the skin.
Yeah, I wonder how the bristles feel. Oh yeah, that feels soft too.
Yeah, I love that during a facial, like
yeah,
really soft bristles touching my skin.
Yeah.
It's so relaxing.
Yeah.
And this is a bigger size, so I'm assuming it's for the face.
Yeah,
and that's
also
probably
for the face. I think they have an even smaller one. I just got the one that came with these two brushes and then the cleansing brush, just to kind of see what it would be like to like try them, because it's kind of like a variety. It has the one to cleanse the face, and then it has like a bigger one for the bigger areas of the face,
Okay.
and then a smaller one for the smaller areas of the face.
What's the hollow kind of center?
I don't know.
I'm wondering if that's where a product goes
I
in.
think so. It's silicone too. It's like,
It's so cute. I think it's like a little space for the product.
it might be.
And then the outside is like the...
Maybe you like pour the product into the hole, and then when you're putting it on the
Yeah.
face, it comes out.
comes out as you brush.
Yeah. So I have been wanting to get their brushes for a while, but what really drew me towards actually doing it, because I was kind of slacking and being lazy, were these tools that they just came out with. They're like super tiny. They're so cute.
I love those. Those are so in now.
I know.
It's the hygienic tool, or I don't know what you
Yeah.
call them, but just facial tools.
Hygienic and facial tools, like anything that's soothing. I don't know, we'll have to look into it, but I usually will put any like rollers or like any like tools that can be cooling into like the fridge or the freezer. So I wonder, I'm pretty sure these hopefully might be able to go in there too without damaging them.
Designed to depuff and smoothen around the eye area.
Oh, so that's what this one's for.
Yeah.
What? Look how pretty that is.
Oh my god, it's like so...
And they're so cute and little.
It's called the bean.
You know, that's actually perfect because usually like the rollers, they're sometimes kind of hard to get onto like certain areas of the face, or like they'll like roll over a little too much. So I feel like you have more control with that, and you like it won't fall out of your hand.
And I love the way you can grip. Like,
Yeah.
you can hold it well.
Yeah.
And it sits well in your hand while you know, hold it.
Mm-hmm.
This is awesome.
I like it. That's cute. Oh yeah,
I'm sure, like during a facial,
Yeah.
it's like heaven.
Yeah. I can't imagine. This probably feels really good too. Like I said, if you stick it in the fridge.
Oh
For
yeah,
sure.
like cooling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love facials, and this would sound like amazing when I get one.
Alright. We're gonna also do another video with us using these to actually like give you guys input and let you know how we actually like the tools. Because they may like feel amazing on the outside, but maybe they don't actually work for whatever reason maybe, but I doubt it, but
Yeah.
just actually
I
test it
highly
out.
doubt it. We'll definitely show you guys this one.
What is this?
So that one's called the drop, and it looks like a drop of water.
Cute.
And it's a soft gel silicone tool used to press product into the skin.
It is soft. I didn't even realize it by looking at it. You can't even tell. I thought it was maybe like a stone or something.
Yeah, it's actually squeezable. It's awesome. Like, you're supposed to press the product in.
Oh.
This is so freaking amazing. Like, I wonder how it would feel. Oh my god, I love it. It feels good, and I have makeup on.
It's okay. We'll clean them. And the owner, she was a makeup artist for forever, so like makeup brushes and like tools, I'm assuming she came out with these to like prep the skin before you apply the makeup, so that's very
So smart.
important. Yeah.
So that's the roller, and it's a studded amethyst roller to massage any area of the face.
Amethyst is by far my favorite stone for sure. That's also why I was drawn towards these two.
I love amethyst.
I love how tiny it is. It's just so like, it's perfect because you can work it all around the face without having to worry about it.
Oh
like,
yeah, I
being
feel
too
it.
big.
I can feel the little
Yeah.
massage indents.
Mm-hmm.
This is perfect.
So cute. Okay, then I don't know what this is. I think this might just be like a little bag.
Yeah.
They gave us some complimentary.
So cute.
Yeah, this is just like a little bag to like keep all your
Aw.
stuff in. I think they might have given this to us complimentary. That's sweet.
Yeah.
I love the lavender color. I love everything about it. It's so like
Yeah. it's
welcoming, calming. Yeah.
Yep, it says, what touches your face matters. Anisa Beauty was created to revolutionize how you think about makeup and skincare application.
So we can go into a little bit about how to take care of them, even though we didn't get the cleanser to clean the brushes. We'll still talk about it, and then maybe in another video, once we order it, we'll talk about the cleanser and maybe show how to clean the brushes too.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
That's pretty much it. A big reason why we got these brushes specifically is because one, they are cruelty free and they're US made, but mainly because in the aesthetics industry, especially facials and estheticians, we really like to focus on making sure that the skincare service and the facial is as relaxing as possible. But we also want to make sure that the tools that we use are sanitary, and this helps add an additional step of like hygiene and making sure that the facials and the tools that we use for our facials are sanitary. So being able to dip the end of the brush into the product instead of dipping your finger after you had already touched the client's face. Even if you're wearing gloves, like you can still dip into the product so that you're not cross-contaminating, you're spreading bacteria, or because you're touching a lot of different things and a lot of different like cleansers and stuff and bottles while you're, depending on how you give facials. Even if you don't, it still adds that extra step of cleanliness on top of the fact that we haven't tried them on our face yet, but they look and feel like they're gonna be really soft on the face. So
but I love that how you can feel safe during the facial, that there won't be any cross contamination. Just an extra step of protection.
Yeah,
that I think is probably really more important now.
Exactly. I know, definitely now.
It just I think gives you that peace of mind.
Yeah, I feel like it's like if you're an esthetician or even a cosmetologist that's watching this, or even a makeup artist that's watching this video, I feel like adding these to your routine, whether it's your personal routine or for your clients, is going to be that extra step of like showing like how much you really care about the service, and also you care about being hygienic, and you can advertise that on your website or on your social media. So when people go and look for facials or makeup artists or whatever it is, they can see that you actually care and take value in tools and the modalities that you use for your services.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I would definitely feel more cared for if my esthetician was using these during my procedure, just because, I'm not saying that they wouldn't otherwise care, but this just lets me know they care about the art of giving a facial.
Exactly. I love that. The art of facials. It's true. So it does come with this. I'm assuming that this comes with every little order that you place, but it's a card that says how to care for your products. So I'll go ahead and now read this, and then you obviously can read it on their website as well too, and we'll link everything that we ordered in the description, and then also the aftercare of how to take care of the brushes as well too. Okay, so it says Anisa beauty brushes and tools are made using the highest quality materials, handcrafted by skilled artisans, and manufactured using clean and socially responsible methods. To ensure the integrity and longevity of your products, please follow the detailed care instructions listed on each product page on anisabeauty.com. Anisa's care tips. Anisa beauty brushes are handcrafted. Handle them with care to protect your investment. Always squeeze excess water from the brush head after washing, then gently reshape the fibers and lay flat to dry. This will help increase the lifespan of your brush. For skincare brushes used with pigmented and/or oil acid-based formulas, think masks and pills, we recommend washing after each use. I never even thought to use it on a pill. That's actually really smart. Okay, so to prolong the life of your makeup brushes, we always recommend daily, weekly, monthly care, especially if used with multiple products. Check out our website product pages for care instructions and specific how-tos. Clean brushes equals clear skin, which is very true because it goes back to bacteria. So if you have clean brushes, you're not spreading bacteria, you're not causing breakouts or irritations to the skin. Don't forget to care for your bags and cases. Wipe with a damp or dry cloth to remove excess residue. For best results, clean with a mild alcohol-free cleaner. Our fiber-free skincare tools are designed with high-quality, innovative materials. Do not refrigerate, freeze, or rinse with hot water or submerge in any water, as materials are delicate. Well, that answers our question. So we can't put them in the freezer or the fridge, but they still, I feel like because of the materials that these ones specifically are made from, it's still going to feel cooling and soothing to the face.
Definitely.
But that's
and the products can be kept in the fridge, right?
Yeah, the products can be kept in the fridge, so that's actually, so that'll kind of make up for it. Overall, I like the feel of them and the texture.
I would be very excited to try them out.
Yeah, me too.
Okay guys, so that finishes off our unboxing of our skincare tools and our facial tools. I hope you guys loved it as much as we did. We'll see you guys next time for our next unboxing.
Bye. Thank you for watching.